Hey, this is William, and today I want to do something a little different. I'm not going to do a recap of my trades because I get asked what kind of analysis I do after the market to try to become a better trader. And I'm going to show you that today, okay? So today is March 25th, 2019, and I was looking at SPY and NVIDIA. And now that the market's over, I can really go back and analyze. And I've seen this many times, but a lot of you traders, you have an idea of don't trade the SPY, but you sometimes do. Or don't trade stocks that just mirror the SPY, but you sometimes do. So let's take a very close look at exactly what happens when a stock mirrors the SPY and the biggest pitfall to avoid that can trap so many traders. If you find yourself in a stock that tracks the SPY and then you get biased and then that bias just kills you, okay? That's what we're going to look at today. So first we're going to look at NVIDIA. This is the open, okay? So we've got the open of NVIDIA and the open of SPY, open market into, and at the end of here, it's 12 o'clock, okay? So we've got the same exact time frames. And we're going to go through this wave by wave. We know that stocks move in waves, so let's kind of mark these waves, okay? So we've got a top of a wave, consolidation on SPY, same thing on NVIDIA, okay? Then it's waving down, and let's circle another little, here you go. You get this pattern, a bullish candle, and then a bearish engulfing. Sure enough, at the exact, not right there, sorry, at the exact same minute, right here, you get a bullish candle and a bearish engulfing, okay? Let's look at this. Look at this top, another top right here. A white candle, then a red candle, and then a breakdown. Sure enough, the white bullish candle and a red bearish candle, the exact same minute for another wave down. Okay, same thing right here. Let's find this top right here. We've got a bullish white candle and little bearish, like a little mini shooting star, not really, but let's just call it that for right now to make it simple. And then at the exact same minute, we've got NVIDIA doing the same thing. Another top, look at this top, there's a nice shooting star at the top. At the exact same minute there, sorry my lines aren't perfectly straight, we've got this happening right there. And then you get another wave down, okay? So clearly NVIDIA is tracking SPY. SPY doesn't track NVIDIA, okay? NVIDIA tracks SPY. Now, there's one very nuanced thing here that can trap a lot of traders. If you find yourself in the trade and you realize it's tracking SPY and then you think it's going to be in lockstep. But guess what? It doesn't work like that. Just because a stock is following SPY does not mean the moves are going to be the exact same. One of them can be more powerful. One can break through other levels. And even though they're still waving in the exact same way and have the same highs and the same lows at the same moment, the moves can be smaller or larger in each stock. And you got to understand that so you don't have a bias, okay? For example, right here is the exact moment. If you see this, NVIDIA goes up to the 50 and it is not able to break over the 50 and it goes down. A few minutes earlier, SPY hit the 50 and was able to keep going up and it made it above VWAP, okay? And look, at that same moment, even though these waves are the same, NVIDIA has not made it over VWAP. Now look at this top of this wave. This is well over VWAP because look at this large leg up. And look at this large leg up for NVIDIA, but it's still well under VWAP. So overall, you gotta understand SPY is looking stronger. Okay. Now you can't even use VWAP in this technical analysis in the same way you use a stock, but in general, to think that if you're trading NVIDIA and both SPY and NVIDIA at this moment are under VWAP and then SPY is looking to go above VWAP and then you're thinking NVIDIA thus has to go up above VWAP, it doesn't work like that. You can't have that bias and think, well, SPY's above VWAP, now NVIDIA is going to be above VWAP. And that's what gets so many traders into problem. When you find yourself in a stock that is following SPY, you think it's going to do the exact same thing, and then you throw out your strategies and your setups, and you just think, well, if SPY is going up, NVIDIA has to go up. And sure enough, the these waves are the exact same, but the waves in SPY have more momentum and more amplitude to the upside, whereas NVIDIA can't break through resistance, right? These are smaller waves up and going back down versus the SPY. So same wave pattern, same type of chart. You look at it, if without any moving averages, it would look very, very similar. But look, SPY is able to break through the VWAP. NVIDIA was never able to do that. So just be very mindful of that. When you find yourself in these type of trades, don't automatically assume that your trade will work out because it's tracking SPY and SPY is making the move that you wanted your stock to make. It can get you into a lot of trouble, so please avoid that.